already know this shit coming. I already know. I don't have good luck. I don't have good luck. I'm sorry for even yelling when y'all.
That's okay. Listen, that's why I just stood there and waited. Whenever you were done, we were gonna have a conversation. Because I'm not gonna argue with an adult. I'll wait.
Yeah, you know, I'm sorry.
All right.
Alrighty. I hate everybody, dog. I hate everybody, dog. I hate everybody.
On July 15th, 2024, Ohio officers stopped a vehicle fleeing a park where a physical altercation had just occurred. 5 children were inside the vehicle. None of them were restrained. The driver was arrested for child endangerment. The children were transferred to CPS custody. This analysis examines the legal framework governing every decision made that day.
Hello.
No, I'm not okay for the police pulling us over for what?
Were you guys back at the church there when we pulled in? There was a fight going on. We're just making sure you guys were okay.
No, don't do
Okay.
this.
Can I have your ID real quick, please?
Hold on. It's too much shit going on. It's too much shit going on. It's too much shit going on, bro. It's too much shit going on. No, this is some bullshit. This is some bullshit. I ain't put my hands on nobody. No.
That's why you need to calm
We got 4 kids and no booster.
Yeah, they ain't got no booster seat because we leaving. These ain't even all man. Come on now. So now what? Look, if I'm irritated, this some bullshit, dog. I can't calm down because she just started all that dumbass shit at this park. So didn't. So what? You want to see my hands? I'm frustrated. This some bullshit. Somebody telling my son you. This shit don't make no sense. Hold on, because I can have somebody come get these kids. We ain't got to do all that. Nobody don't need to come get the kids because y'all saying they don't got boosters. I'm sorry. Don't even pay me on mine. I'm just frustrated because I just got disrespected. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, are you the
I'm sorry.
Are you the registered owner?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry,
Are you the
y'all.
registered
I'm
owner
just
of this
going through a lot. Like, if you heard about the little boy 7 years old that just got killed over there by all these, that was my little cousin. I'm going through a lot. So to come to a park after leaving this hospital and they just declared them brain dead today, it's a lot. To go to the park and just try to have a good time, and my son walking up to me like, Mommy, it's a big kid saying you. My son don't even know how to cuss, but he like, it's a big kid over there saying you. And then I'm getting worked up about that, and I'm just like telling my son like, all right, go say it back at this point, because he big. He look like he about 12 years old. You know what I'm saying? This don't make no sense. It's just too much going on, y'all. Too much going on.
Are you the registered owner of the park?
Yes.
Do you have your driver's license on you, dear?
I do. Hold on.
Okay.
We good. I'm in good standing. I can't, listen, I'm a nurse assistant. I can't lose my license.
Listen.
Okay,
I can't lose my license over this.
Just take a couple deep breaths for me, okay? You guys were leaving the park.
You're talking about how you're upset about your relative being killed.
I am.
And then you work in a hospital.
I don't work in a hospital.
You said a nursing assistant.
Yeah. These are my kids in the back. Yes,
Okay,
I do know that.
Isn't this crazy that you're upset about a kid getting
No, he
injured?
got hit by a car.
I know, I was there.
We were there.
I was
He
there.
got hit by a car.
So what happens if you get into an accident?
I was just literally
What
going up
happens
the
if
street.
you-
I live around the corner.
Yes,
but
and
I
he
didn't
lived-
realize that all of my kids was in the back seat. Because
So
I
what
just
if somebody runs it?
My
I need you to
friend-
stop
my
talking
friend
over
was
me.
there, though.
I don't care about your friend being there. You have 4 kids in the back who are not secured, not buckled. Your youngest one's not even strapped. Is his car seat even buckled in?
Who, the baby?
Yes.
No. It don't look like it, no.
So how much sense does this make if you...
I'm in the wrong.
Yes.
I'm in the wrong.
Okay.
That's all the books are now.
Oh, it's 5 kids.
I'm
Okay.
sorry. Yep, these are
Yeah,
all
well,
my
I didn't
kids
see
that
them
I birthed out, and I don't have enough space in my car. I can't even afford a big enough vehicle for my kids. Okay, so just trying to transfer them to a park. Yes, I shouldn't have took all my kids, but I did. I wanted my kids to have a good time at the park. At the end of the day, they wasn't just all. I don't even care. I'm in the wrong. I'm in the wrong. It's some bullshit right here, dog. This is some bullshit, dog.
No.
Just ruin our life, though. Do what y'all gonna do. Ruin my life. Ruin my life. I ruined my life, though.
How are we gonna ruin your life when you got all these children not strapped in?
I can't do nothing for
It's not
my
our
kids.
fault.
Ruin my life. I'm young. I'm not disrespectful. I'm young. I'm not disrespectful to my elders. I take care of the elders, and I'm trying to talk to her. She ain't trying to listen to nothing I'm talking about.
Dad?
So, it was this whole altercation where another bystander hit her. I'm watching it all. I ain't touched the lady. I ain't said shit to the lady. I tried to talk to the lady. I said, you know what? I'm not even going to disrespect this lady. And I told her, I said, I'm not disrespectful, ma'am. I'm not going with you. I'm not disrespectful. But at the end of the day, we pull off, get pulled over. I'm trying to rush to leave the scene because I was just arguing with this lady, and then this lady get into a fight with a whole nother individual. I tried to leave the scene, and I already worked up because we literally just left the hospital where the little boy, they pronounced him dead. So now it's like, I'm trying to go back home. I'm in the wrong. None of the kids got seatbelts on. They just jumped in the car. They just jumped in the car. I told them I was trying to get away, but they don't want to hear that because they like, all right, this little boy just died.
You're not in trouble. We're not detaining you, nothing. Just want to talk to the back of the car.
Handle up your fingers and step out, please.
I didn't hit nobody.
You're good.
I did not hit nobody. What am I getting arrested for?
We'll talk everything here in a second.
For some bullshit, dog. What am I getting arrested for? I didn't hit nobody.
Well, no, right now you're being arrested for endangerment with children.
Are you serious? In front of my kids, y'all?
You can't drive around having 5 kids in the back seat and none of them buckle.
We trying to get our kids away from an altercation. Hey, look at my kids. Look at my kids, dog. You don't need my contact phone number. I'm about to call somebody so they can come help me with my shit. She just said I could call somebody to come help me with my shit.
That was before I got the information. What I was asking for your phone number for was so CSP could call you so these babies could come home to you.
I'm about to cooperate.
And you're yelling at you.
Because
understand what I'm saying?
I get it. I apologize. I'm manning up to my. I apologize for yelling at you. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right.
But I don't have a choice right now because I have 5 kids not in strapped.
So y'all about to take my kids too?
This is why I'm asking for your phone number so CSP can call you
write
and
my
give
number
you
down.
back.
Right now.
Okay.
Calm down, Mar. Calm down. Okay, calm down, son. Calm down. Calm down.
My supervisor said this is what has to happen. So this is why I'm asking you for the information, because if you guys all live together, CSB can release the children back to you at their discretion. Okay? But I need you to remain calm and cooperating with me.
System do too. I'm calm. I hear you though. I hear you.
I ain't never been to jail in a day in my life. A day in my life. Just got my STNA license. I'm trying to be a foster mom. Literally trying my best to get a bigger vehicle. Just doing all this shit for my babies just to be a disappointment to them, dog. Please just go away, y'all. It's all right. Just go away, y'all. No, just go away, y'all.
I'm gonna try to find you some paper towels, but right now I don't have
Can you
any.
please literally if y'all gonna take me, don't take my baby dad because we don't got nobody out here.
He's not going to
I
jail.
don't trust nobody out here with my kids.
He's not going to jail, okay?
Oh my God. Hey, can't nobody hear? Shit. Calm the down. Can you hear me? Can you tell him to calm the down? And can I get my phone? My fiance. Can I get my phone too? No, I'm talking about can you get it in case I get released?
I have it.
Okay. I didn't know if you had it.
No, I picked it up. I got it.
Okay, thank you.
I've been honest with you, okay? CSB is now involved. So it's going to be up to CSB if they want to give them, they're on their way here. It's going to be up to them if they want to give them over to your boyfriend, okay? Like I said, I'm gonna let them know everything that's going on. Everything
Can I talk to him too?
Of course, before anything happens, I will let you.
I'm not from here.
I know. And before anything happens, I will let you say goodbye, okay?
I'm really doing all this is for my babies. My life is ruined, dog. My babies is okay. I take care of them. I do everything for them. I just got my STNA license. I'm trying to become a foster mom myself, but now that's over. I feed my kids, I pay my kids, I do everything with my kids. They're not getting abused. I just let them.
I promise you, I will call.
This is the first time ever.
Okay. And I
don't drive with them all in the car like that because it's too many police out here. Personally, I'm scared of Ohio police. I've never even gotten pulled over. I just feel like I just up their life. I just literally got my license to become a nurse. I just took the test. I just passed the test. I was practicing so hard and studying so hard for that shit. It is. You can't have nothing on your record. You can't go to jail. From what they telling me, I didn't ruin it. I didn't ruin my kids. I got them. That's my starting 5 right there. All boys. My starting 5. All they names begin with an M. That's my starting 5. And I'm sitting up here getting handcuffs put on me. My kids want to be the police. Not even real. Now they gonna be taunted. Mommy, you got this judge literally about to be mean as to me. I already know this shit coming. I already know. I don't have good luck. I don't have good luck. I'm sorry for even yelling when y'all.
That's okay. Listen, that's why I just stood there and waited. Whenever you were done, we were gonna have a conversation. Because I'm not gonna argue with an adult. I'll wait.
Yeah, you know, I'm sorry.
All right.
Alrighty.
Hello.
Hi, Mom.
Yes.
I'm Erica from Children's Services.
Oh, hello.
And so at this moment, I know you wanted to talk to somebody.
Yes.
And I know they said that they're gonna take you down because they arrested you, and they're gonna cite you, and you're gonna go down to the jail. Now, did you have any questions? They're gonna have a meeting if you get out early enough at 11 o'clock at the agency to discuss what happens to the kids.
I just honestly wanted to talk to somebody because I'm trying to become a foster mom.
Okay.
I'm a good person.
Well, I guess the main thing is that the kids weren't restrained and anything could have happened. You could have gotten in a car accident.
I understand that, but I'm trying to be a foster mom myself.
Okay.
I don't want my babies to get taken away from me. That's it.
Well, at this moment, they're going to go with us, but we're trying to figure out what's going on.
No.
We have a lot of people out here who want to take the kids.
Yes, I got that. That's their family.
That's what we're trying to work out now.
I don't want nobody to take my kids unless it's their family.
Okay, and then like I said, we're trying to work that out now.
They can go with their relatives. I don't want no one to take my babies.
Okay.
That's all I'm concerned about. I'm trying to be a foster mom myself.
Okay.
And this just ruined my life. Like, it was an altercation at the park. I was not paying attention.
Okay.
I had an altercation with a lady, and so did another lady.
So y'all sped off to get away?
No, I didn't. They started fighting, and I just gathered my kids in the car.
Now, what park was that?
This one down the street, Firestone. I come up here a lot, and I never ever had problems at this park.
Okay.
You know, because we live right around the corner. I'm not from here. I'm from Michigan, and I hear good things. Like, everybody tell me I live in a good environment.
Okay.
And I was just trying to go take my kids to, because his aunt was telling me that they had a splash pad.
Like this?
I'm just,
like I said.
I'm literally a good person. I just got my STNA license. I just, man.
Well, like I said, we're going to try to figure it out tomorrow.
I don't want can they go with their...
That's what my supervisor's with me. We're going to grab the kids. We're going to figure it out. Because there's a process to all this. So what we're going to do is get that process going so it don't take all night to get these kids somewhere.
Why can't they go with their dad, though?
Well, that's what they're looking at. They don't know yet. They trying to
Because, like, he can go to my house, like...
So, you have any other questions? Because I'm going to help her get the kids in the car.
Yeah, like, where are they going? Like, who car would they be getting in?
The van right there, and then I have a seat in mine.
And then are you guys... Because my kids, like, they're going to flip out.
Well, we'll try to get them in. We got help to get
They
them
they can't go with their aunt and their...
Well, right
their
now,
aunts?
we don't know. We have to do the background checks and all that. There's a process.
So when would they be going? Like,
we got to work something out tonight. Because we don't like to keep kids overnight. So tonight will be where we make the call. So we headed back to the agency. We're going to grab the kids, head back to the agency, make sure they're good, and then do the background checks and see if anybody gets approved.
I cannot.
So like I said, we'll follow up. There's a meeting tomorrow at 11 if you get out. If not, we'll let them know where you're at.
And then, like, am I losing custody of my kids?
At this moment, Summit County Services have custody.
I hate everybody, dog. I hate everybody, dog. I hate everybody. I hate everybody. They don't come around me, dog. I hate everybody, dog.
Do not kick the cruiser.
I'm not kicking it. I'm just stumping my feet. I want my babies.
Than what it is.
I want my babies. I just want my
Take a
babies.
breath and calm down.
Can I please kiss my babies?
Causing an issue.
I'm trying to get y'all attention. Nobody is answering me. I want to kiss my babies. I keep saying that.
He wants you to be as strong as you know you can be. I know you can be strong.
I try. I'm doing my
are strong.
best,
You
man.
are
I just
strong.
graduated. I just got my STNA license. I'm
need
trying
you
to be
stay
a
calm.
foster mommy.
I need you to stay calm.
One mistake.
I need you to stay calm, baby. I need
One
you to stay
mistake. I'm really going away from my baby.
calm. Come on. You gotta go back there.
How do you do that? I can't even hug my baby's body or nothing. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Love you.
23 assist, bro.
Good.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. The stop was lawful under Terry v. Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968. Officers possessed two independent legal grounds: a vehicle fleeing the scene of a reported fight and visible, unrestrained children in the back seat. Either ground alone satisfies the requirement of reasonable, articulable suspicion. Combined, the stop was constitutionally unassailable from the moment it was initiated. The primary criminal charge is child endangerment under Ohio Revised Code Section 2919.22. That statute makes it a criminal offense when a parent or custodian creates a substantial risk to the health, backgammon, or safety of a child under the age of 18. 5 completely unrestrained children in a moving vehicle, driven away from an active altercation, satisfies that standard without ambiguity. The underlying traffic violation is governed by Ohio Revised Code Section 4511.81, which requires all children under age 8 to be secured in an approved child restraint system. Children between ages 8 and 15 must be secured with a safety belt. The officer documented zero compliance with either statutory requirement on this stop. Those observations are the evidentiary foundation for both the traffic citation and the more serious criminal charge under Section 2919.22. The legality of the custodial arrest is governed by Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided by the Supreme Court in 2001. Atwater holds that the Fourth Amendment permits a full custodial arrest, handcuffs, transport, booking for any lawful offense, including a fine-only misdemeanor or a minor traffic violation. Ohio courts have applied Atwater consistently across similar child safety enforcement scenarios. The subject's emotional state, personal circumstances, and the mitigating events of that day are relevant to prosecutorial discretion and judicial sentencing, not to the Fourth Amendment analysis of the arrest. The emergency transfer to Children's Services was authorized under Ohio Revised Code Section 5153.16, which permits emergency removal when a child's immediate health or welfare requires intervention. The father was present on scene but could not assume custody due to outstanding warrants confirmed during the encounter. That fact precluded family placement and directly activated the agency's emergency removal authority. The caseworker's actions were procedurally correct. The responding officers receive a B+. The stop was lawful. The arrest was constitutionally supported. Use of force was limited to handcuffing, fully within the Graham v. Connor reasonableness standard. Supervisor consultation before arresting a sole caretaker, with 5 minors on scene, was procedurally correct and reflects sound chain of command practice. Patient, de-escalatory communication throughout a high-emotion encounter demonstrates competent situational awareness. The grade falls short of an A for one documented reason. The Miranda advisement is not confirmed in the available footage. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, any statement obtained from a subject in custody without prior advisement of rights is subject to suppression in court. The subject made several spontaneous admissions throughout this encounter. If Miranda was not administered, those statements carry suppression risk in any downstream proceeding. That is not a technicality. It is a constitutional mandate. The subject receives a C+. Ohio's child restraint statutes exist because unrestrained children sustain fatal injuries in collisions that restrained passengers routinely survive. That is not legislative theory. It is documented crash data. 5 children, 0 restraints, a vehicle in motion. Those facts satisfy every element of Ohio Revised Code. Section 2919.22 as charged. Mitigating circumstances, acute grief, no prior criminal record, a spontaneous decision under extreme emotional distress, are genuine and will carry weight before a sentencing judge. They do not constitute a legal defense to the charge as written. What works in the subject's favor is her conduct after the stop. She acknowledged the violation voluntarily and without prompting. She cooperated fully with the CPS caseworker. She did not resist arrest. Under Troxel v. Granville, 2000 parental rights carry, constitutional protection, and the subject's cooperative conduct strengthens any future argument for reunification. That conduct is the difference between this grade and a lower one. The department receives a B. CPS was contacted promptly and arrived on scene. Before transport, supervisor involvement was timely. Genuine effort was made to identify family placement before transferring the children to agency custody. The grade reflects 2 unresolved questions: whether Miranda rights were properly administered and whether the father's on-scene presence with outstanding warrants was appropriately addressed and documented. 3 principles apply broadly from this encounter. First, child restraint violations are not administrative infractions. Every unbelted child represents a potential fatality. Ohio law does not provide discretion on enforcement. It provides a legal obligation. Second, personal circumstances do not override constitutional standards on scene. Atwater is unambiguous. A lawful offense authorizes a lawful arrest. Full stop. Emotional context belongs before a judge, not on the roadside. Third, Miranda is not contingent on demeanor. The moment a subject is in custody, the right to advisement attaches regardless of how cooperative, sympathetic, or voluntary their statements appear to be. Omitting the advisement does not void the arrest, but it creates suppression exposure in every proceeding that follows. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions.